Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2011 Nissan JUKE SL all-wheel drive, stock number E1645XA. Only 52,000 miles on this local trade. Sapphire Black in color. The JUKE is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split seats fold down for additional cargo room. And very clean, as you can see. This SL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, push button start, easy to read gauges, again only 52,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control, multiple drive modes, normal, sport, and eco. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and heated front seats. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Control overhead. Under the hood, this JUKE has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 188 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 75% of tire tread left. For more information on this JUKE, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.